Alright, hey YouTube. So, shut up. We haven't made a video in like a while, forever. And so, tonight I went to my card shop and played the draft. Got second place at the table I was playing, so got a promo Absent Pilgrim, which I'm very happy about because I'm building a green-white deck. And I got 3 packs. That's food.
That's my dinner.
Alright, so nothing bad happens again. Alright. Pack 1. Ermagerd, YouTube. I learned how to open up packs properly.
After I told you 100 times.
Yeah. Alright. You know what? I don't care if that was in the shot or not. Alright. We're going to turn this way. And... oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't get it. Alright, so. Uncommons. Hang on, let's clear this up real quick for you guys. Angelic Benediction, or Benediction, whatever. Rise from the Grave. Rewind, and the rare is... this thing. Aw. That's depressing. A soldier and a forest. That was a bad pack. Pack 2. God damn it. This one doesn't want to open up properly. Hang on, I got it. Nope, okay, never mind. The same comment on the front. Oh wait, no I didn't, never mind. Alright, so, here we go. Alright. Rain of Blades. Roaring Primadox, I haven't seen that before. Courtly Provocateur. And a Planar Cleansing. Great. This thing. The ad and a forest. Well, I'm highly disappointed in these packs. Last pack. Alright. Hang on. Here it comes. Oh. Guardian Lion on the front. It's gotta be something good. And we got a foil, I want to say. Alright, I'm sorry, I should show you guys that I'm shuffling through. Okay. Crimson Muckwater, or Water, or whatever. Ring of Colonia. Volcanic Geyser, and the rare is... Slumbering Dragon. Okay, I'm actually happy with that. We got a foil of some sort, a Goblin token, a Swamp, and a foil Cathedral of War. Okay, so that pack actually makes me pretty happy. Kellen drinking his
Grape juice.
And his food. Alright, so I guess not a lot of money back from it, but I was happy to get that. I mean, I don't know how much Cathedral War is going for, the foil at least. I know the normal's going for like 3 or 4. I don't know, whatever.
I've seen 3 people with those.
Foils? Oh, Matt's mom has a promo, or an alternate art one. But it doesn't say it's an alternate art. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll try to get more videos soon. So, yeah.